This is the Osuza bag, and I am so excited to open this up with you today. So let's open it up. So first things first, packaging, beautiful. They've got it in this beautiful, beautiful bag here. And let's go ahead and look at that. You can see in there, it's hiding. Let's pull it out. Wow. I don't know about you, but I have never seen a bag like this before. And trust me, you won't, because this bag is really, really special. It actually folds all the way open and up. It's made for artists, creative types, and it's so unbelievably versatile. You'll see mole straps, Velcro everywhere. You can literally customize this to your heart's content. And so the way that you open it up is you do that. This thing completely opens flat like that. Look at this. And then we've got some other containers and things which I'm going to open up here in a second. But check this out. Let's see if I can lay this against my backdrop here. Look at how cool this is. So you can put stuff in here, and now we've got all of these awesome customizable accessories to make this literally anything you want. You can put your paints, you can do your work supplies, you can put board games in here. This is an incredibly customizable bag. We've got mesh pouches, we've got zippered pouches, we've got literally Velcro everywhere, we've got mole everywhere, we've got more up there. You can attach things to here. This is like one of the most customizable bags ever. So once you get your perfect setup, you know that nobody else will have something quite like yours. So here you go. You can attach this, put this in the mole sections. You can put this on the outside of the bag. Let's look at all the different little attachment things that we got here. So we've got this smaller pouch here. Then we've got kind of like a more medium-sized one. Check that out. That's awesome. So you can put that on the outside, you can put that on the inside. You can actually, I think you can wear this as like a crossbody. You can pull, have this attached, and then when you get to your destination, take this off. You run it as a crossbody strap, right? So you take this with you, run this across your body. This is awesome. This is so cool. I love how urban this looks. I love how modular this bag is. There's literally we use that as a handle. And here we have another one of our smaller bags. So again, these you could attach, literally anywhere. But yeah, you can, I think some of the exciting places, you can put them on the outside of the bag. And this is super cool. Let's check out I've got this. If you want to stack up your board games in there. You've got the ability to really expand this out almost into a full-on duffel bag, or keep it as a backpack. So I'm gonna fold these in again. Look at that. So we've got pockets galore. I believe we have a secret pocket here. There we go. So we got pockets. Secret pockets galore. And then this, I believe, I'm banking on something for a laptop right here, maybe, if I can find there it is, the zipper. Look at that. So you got a huge laptop compartment there too, so it's perfect. This is really well padded, it's protected. These straps are great. You even got a cinch for your waist to carry some of that weight. So if you've really got this loaded up with all your supplies and everything you're taking with you, This is awesome. This is by far one of the most unique. I love this aesthetic. I think this is probably one of the sexiest backpacks I know I've seen, and there's definitely, you know, if you buy this, there's nothing like this out there. And I think that this is so cool. So great work, Osuza. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. On creating such an awesome bag with so many incredible pockets and features. And I know I'm just brushing the surface. I'm excited to spend some time with this, dig in, and explore everything this bag has to offer.